This video is sponsored by MacPro. Hi guys, in this video I'll be giving you 5 tips on how to fix a slow Mac. So let's get started. So if you have a Mac that's a few years old, it will become sluggish. The first thing I would suggest is not to install more apps to fix this problem. If you go online, there are lots of websites asking you to buy or download their app to fix the problem, when in fact it's going to make things worse. So don't install anything new. In fact, if you recently installed an app and that's what's causing the problem, go into Finder, select Applications and right click the app and select Move to Bin, then empty it. If an app is crashing and therefore slowing your Mac, you have the option to force quit apps. If you go to the Apple icon in the top left corner and then select force quit, you can select just one or many apps that are currently open. If an app is crashing, it will be highlighted in red with the words not responding. So for example, if Safari was crashing, I just select it and then select force quit. How much storage do you have? Well, if you click on the Apple menu again, select About this Mac, More Info, and scroll to where it says Storage. Select Storage Settings and it will tell you what's taking up most of the storage space. There you can also remove apps. If your Mac has at least 40 gigs left, then your Mac will run at optimal performance. If you're using an Intel Mac and you have Chrome opened with lots of tabs, this can impact the performance of your Mac. By simply closing them and leaving 1 or 2 left, you should notice immediate performance returning. If you are still having problems with your Mac, then may I recommend Clean My Mac? They are also the sponsors of this video. Clean My Mac is a must-have for your Mac. It frees up disk space, detects and removes any malware. It can also notify you when storage and RAM is nearly full. Deal Digit is offering 68% off with the purchase with an annual plan. For more information, I have included a link in the description. Thanks for watching till the end, and as always, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video.